Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Isaiah in chapter 35, starting in verse 1, where it says, "Even the wilderness and desert will be glad in those days. The wasteland will rejoice and blossom with spring crocuses. Yes, there will be abundance of flowers and singing and joy. The deserts will become as green as the mountains of Lebanon, as lovely as Mount Carmel or the plain of Sharon. There the Lord will display his glory, the splendor of our God. With this news, strengthen those who have tired hands and encourage those who have weak knees. Say to those with fearful hearts, be strong and do not fear, for your God is coming to destroy your enemies. He has come to save you." So today I wanted to use this napkin that I have that I picked up for this fall season. I really love sunflowers and I think it really reminds me of fall. But also, when I look at a sunflower, I've seen sunflowers in Indiana. They are tall, they are growing tall, and they're growing strong. And I think this message is really an encouragement God has given to the Israelites that they need to be strong, and that it is an encouragement for us as well in these days that we need to stand tall and we need to be courageous in what we have in our going on in our lives. And he is going to give us that strength. So I wanted to use this napkin in my Bible journaling. I'm going to use it over here on this side since this side already has this pre-printed image. So I'm going to do that. I have these letters that I had in my stash. They're clear, gold foiled, kind of looks like calligraphy. So I'll use some of those. It's an old set I have. There's Sticktopotamus gold foil letters there, really old, probably from the early 2000s, not sure. So that's what I'm going to do. I have my Mod Podge here. I know a lot of people that do Bible journaling like to use the clear gesso, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use this. I've used it before. I'll put a link to the video that I did last year where I used a pumpkin napkin. And it worked well for me, so that's what I'm going to use. I have my scissors, I have my paintbrush, and then I have my ink and my date stamper here. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's my final journal entry. This is just a really simple way to create a page that looks actually pretty beautiful. If you have a napkin that has white around the images, it kind of blends in with the background and it kind of gives an effect of, you know, that it was actually drawn on, or if it's a watercolor napkin, it looks like you actually painted it on there. But I just think that turned out really great, and I love the letters here. I kind of think I would have liked it better if it was going straight across, but I wanted to use the white space, so I don't know. I think I'm still fine with it. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.